In today's video, I'm going to show you Vocal Image app review. The Vocal Image app presents itself as an AI-powered voice coach designed to help users improve speech clarity, vocal tone, projection, and even accent reduction. Many users highlight that the structured lessons, breathing exercises, and guided practice can indeed make a difference if used consistently. For people looking to sound more confident in public speaking or enhance vocal control, the app does seem to offer practical exercises that some find genuinely helpful. That said, the biggest concern surrounding Vocal Image isn't the concept but the way the business side is run. A large number of reviews focus on billing problems, with users reporting unexpected charges after free trials, auto-renewals that weren't clearly disclosed, and difficulties canceling subscriptions. Others complain about unresponsive customer support, which leaves them feeling stuck with a service they no longer want. This has led to frustration and distrust even among those who initially liked the app. In terms of functionality, some users also note issues with accuracy and reliability. The AI feedback can be inconsistent and certain features appear limited unless you pay for a premium subscription. Glitches and slow loading are also mentioned, making the experience less polished than expected for a paid app. Overall, Vocal Image is not a complete scam. It delivers real lessons and can provide benefits for people who stick with the exercises. However, the poor transparency around subscriptions and the frequent billing complaints mean anyone considering it should be very cautious. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.